Hello everyone, my name is Gabriela Preciado. I am a conservation educator for the Inland Empire Resource Conservation District. Today, I wanted to share a quick sustainable activity for you and your family to do at home. We will be making a bird feeder out of a toilet paper roll. Let's go over the materials we will need for this activity. You will need a toilet paper roll that looks similar to this, a hole puncher, string, a popsicle stick, you can also use a spoon, bird seeds, a plate, and lastly, soy butter. Soy butter looks and smells like peanut butter, but it is not. You may also use sunflower butter as a substitution. Let's get started. Step 1. Use a hole puncher to make a hole on opposite sides of the toilet paper roll, like this. Have an adult help you if you need it. Step 2. Put your string right through both of your holes and tie the ends. Make sure the knot is secure. Having a string will allow your bird feeder to be hung on a tree branch. Step 3. After your string is all tied, tuck all of it inside of your toilet paper roll to avoid any soy butter from getting on the string. Step 4. Hold the toilet paper roll however it feels the most comfortable to you. I will be holding mine like this. Have you ever frosted a cupcake or a cake? Well, you will be using that same technique to add soy butter all over the outside of your toilet paper roll, like this. Step 5. Make sure to get all of the toilet paper roll. The more soy butter that you have, the more seeds that will stick. Okay, I think I'm all done. Step 6, you will roll your toilet paper roll onto some bird seeds. Make sure to get every single area that you have soy butter. Notice how my bird seeds are made up of small seeds and big seeds. Why do you think that is? Do all birds look the same? Do they have the same beaks? No, just like us, birds are all different. Some of them have different size beaks or are just a different size. So depending on the size of the bird will be the size of the seeds that they go after. Yum! Alright, you are all set to place your bird feeder anywhere you would like. Keep a lookout for any birds that come and enjoy some yummy seeds. You could also try to identify the birds. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you would like to learn more about us or do more activities, we invite you to check out our website at IERCD.org or visit our social media platforms. Make sure to follow us and stay updated. Thank you and take care. See you next time.